Hey collectors, here is a look at the new Battle Cat from Masters of the Universe Chronicles toy line by Mattel, and I would like to thank Vincent Reyes for this. Link in the description below. Check him out. Here is a look at the back of the box. It has a small info about the character, and you can see Battle Cat with He-Man plus pictures of Cringer without the armor and with the armor in action poses, plus the other characters for this wave of Masters of the Universe Chronicles. And here is Battle Cat out of the box. There are plastic straps that secures the figure in the plastic tray, so be careful cutting them. And at the back you can see Castle Grayskull. And here is Battle Cat out of the box. Depending on how you extend the limbs, he stands around 5.5 inches tall. And he is superposable. The body is segmented and there are a lot of articulation for this figure. It's the same as the one released in the Masterverse line and probably the other version from Classics. Once the mask is removed, the eyes of Cringer seems like it is following you whenever you go to one side or the other. It is the same kind of gimmick that Jazzwares did for their Super Mario figures. And also, his jaw is movable and the teeth retracts. The battle mask can be easily put over his face sculpt, but unfortunately it's a little bit loose and it always pops off. Here is a closer look at the saddle. It's the same as the classic and the Masterverse with the strap underneath, and there is a grip for the figure to hold on to. And there are small details that Mattel sculpted on the saddle. And it's too bad that it's not highlighted. Probably customizer out there could make this one a little bit better than what Mattel did. Due to the scale change that Mattel did for Masters of the Universe Chronicles line, other toy line such as Captain America from the MCU of Marvel Legends by Hasbro is now compatible with Battle Cat. With the Dark Knight Batman from the Dark Knight Trilogy films by InArt. With Deimos from the SMP Model Kit line by Bandai. With He-Man from Masters of the Universe Filmation version by Super 7. And finally with He-Man from Masters of the Universe Chronicles line. And if you think this is a very good setup, think again because of Mattel's laziness. They should have cut this part of his armor, I think it's called the kilt, into separate straps. And because of that, it is pushing He-Man off the seat and he is floating. Again, 2026 and Mattel is very lazy. But it's your call whether to display He-Man mounted on Battle Cat or standing side by side. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.